Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you on troubleshooting your iPhone battery issues, specifically when it seems to be losing charge while plugged in. This can be very frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve this issue. Let's get started. First, check the charger and cable. Ensure you are using an Apple certified charger and cable. Not certified accessories can cause charging issues. Inspect the charger and cable for any visible damage. If they are damaged, consider replacing them. Next, inspect the charging port. Check the charging port on your iPhone for any buries or links. Use a small dry brush or a can of compressed air to clean it gently. Next, close background apps. Open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and close any app running in the background. You can also disable background app refresh. Go to the setting, general, then background app refresh and toggle it off to prevent apps from using power unnecessarily. Next, turn off location services. Go to setting, then go to privacy, then location services, and either toggle it off entirely or selectively disable it from apps that you don't need. You also need to update your iOS. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You go to setting, then general, then software update and install any available update. Next, you reset all settings. If the problem persists, try resetting all settings. Go to setting, then general, then reset and reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but we reset system settings. You should also do the battery health check. Go to setting, scroll down to battery, then battery health. If your battery maximum capacity is significantly degraded, it might be time for a replacement. Contact the Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. If none of these steps will solve the issue, it could be a sign of a deeper hardware problem and you may need to contact the Apple support for further assistance. Thank you so much for following this guide on fixing your iPhone battery while charging. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.